Hi guys, this is Mix Medina YouTube channel, and I will show you how to install Windows XP in Hyper-V. So balikan natin ang nakaraan 24 years ago. Let's go. So I will start to open the Hyper-V, and we'll create a new virtual machine and click next, and Windows XP. Okay, then just to remind you, just use generation 1. I tried the generation 2, it's not working because I think because of 32-bit. Windows XP is 32-bit. So click next and make it 9. So default, same. Next. So it's the size of the storage, make it the same as it is. Click next. Then the ISO, image file, browse. So I already downloaded this one. Then click next. Summary, it's okay now. Click okay, then go. So let's start. So connect. I-minimize ko lang to, then start. Let's see. Okay, checking. So this one is different than the other operating system. Natin yung level. Okay. So as you can see, enter to continue. To agree the license, F8. Okay, so this is the storage, the hard disk. So we need, if you want to create partition, just click C, letter C, just press the C, or if you don't want, press enter to install. That's it. Okay, so I will not use the quick installation, so I will use the one format the partition using the NTFS file system. Enter, then that's it. So we need to wait like I think it takes time like 30 minutes, I don't know. So we bring a cup of coffee while waiting, or exercise. Make it unat-unat, kasi it will take time. Nagamit ko itong Windows XP noong kailan ba yun? Year 2021 yata. Kapanahunan pa ng mga Counter-Strike, yan, mga Warcraft. Tapos yung mga PC pa nun dati is yung yun yung malalaki yung CRT na tag dito, na monitor yung malalaki, tapos kulay white, matitinding mga yun, mga nagkamitan. So meron pa speaker. Ayan. So yung mga laro dati no, Need for Speed, Battle Realms, Counter-Strike, yung 1.3 ba yun, Counter-Strike yun, yung pinaka tapos Red Alert, nakakamiss talaga. Sarap balik-balikan yung mga ganitong So ito na-launch itong Windows XP OS noong year 2001 ng Microsoft. So 24 years na. Grabe, tagal no? 24 years. Kasi install natin, tingnan natin kung natatandaan pa natin yung mga mga settings nito, yung mga control panel. Tingnan natin yung itsura. Mabalik tayo sa 24 years ago. Okay? Classic na classic. Windows XP. Okay. Nakakamiss yung ganito sa dati kong office, year 2010 yata yun, 2013. Magamit pa ng ganito. Dami kong nire-install na ganito eh. Tapos iisang ano lang, CD key. Ayos. So ito na. Okay. Windows XP. Pwede natin customize siya. Okay. Hindi na. Next. Type your full name. Name of your company. Natin Microsoft. Ito na. XVF 47B902480KWKMFR3WBY. Sana kumapit. Yung PC todo PC 1 no PC XP. Hindi natin lagyan ng password. Okay lang yan. Installed. Okay, ito na. Okay. Yun, no? Wala nga lang sounds. Sarap sana pakinggan yung tunog eh. Okay, click next. Okay, so dati hindi ginagawa to ito. Not right now. Yung mga ano. Click. Username PC1. Click. Thank you. Finish. Welcome. Sayang walang tunog, walang ano, sounds yung ano, sa Hyper-V ko eh. Marinig man lang natin. Search nyo na lang yung sounds. Oh, ito na yung legendary ano, legendary XP background. Wow. Stig. Yan pa yung recycle bin. Start. Media player. Install natin. Wala pang BLC, wala pang kung ano-anong mga player. Ito pa lang. Ito yung uso dati. Oh. Takas niyan. Ano ba? MSN. No, MSN. Messenger, Windows Messenger. Control panel. Tingnan natin. Oh, itsura. Switch to classic. Okay, ito. System. Ano ba ito? Service Pack 3 version 22. Hindi pala 2001 to. Dati add natin sa domain. Yan natin yung display sa mga desktop display. Ayan yes dati okay, close natin. Ano ba yung paint? Tingnan ko nga yung paint nandito pa. Accessories, paint. Ayos. Legendary paint. Stiga. May remote assistance na pala dati. Games. Games. Ito yung favorite ko pag nasa Comlab. Yung ating expert. Galing ito. Yung mga games dito. Games. Internet speeds. Ito, legendary paintball. Stig nito. Okay. Ano ba to? Ito pala. So, hirap naman ito. Ayun. Oops. Kung sino yung mga nakakaalala, ito yung ginagawa nyo rin to Ganyan, pag nasa computer lab kayo, kunwari nag-aaral kayo. Ayan. Printer. Ganun din. Add printer. Parehas lang. May pictures. Pictures na. Stig screensaver. Kung naalala nyo pa. Ayos. Wala akong sinabi. Okay, task manager. Ayan yung task manager. Performance, ganito pa. Kulit lang. Natin yung my computer. May floppy disk pa yan. Okay, show. May pagganto-ganto pa. Stig nito. So yun guys, ito yung Windows XP Professional. Okay. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel para sa iba pang mga updates natin. So thank you.